What is up, guys? Dan this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the downloaded files not showing up in Windows 11. So first, head over to the preferred browser that you are using, and after that, go to the settings of that particular browser by just clicking on the three dots and then going to the settings. And after clicking on the settings, you just need to click on this downloads button, and then here this is the location. Just simply click on change and then change the location wherever you want in your PC. And the other option is to go to the privacy and security and then scroll down and then go to the security section and then just click on no protection recommended and then click on turn off. And after that, you will see your files here on your PC or laptop. So this is how you can fix this issue. These were the two ways. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.